guys, I can't make this shit up. What? There. Oh, look at this. Hi. Hello, guy. He's so cute. You're gonna fly away. I'm gonna fly. Ah, no! It flew away. I made him fly away, guys. He come back. Come back. Come back. Please come back. There he is. Guys, meet Fred. Say hello, Fred. Oh. Well, Bertha, that wasn't very nice of you. How dare! Wow, look at you, look at your boot, look at your body, T girl. Oh, so nice seeing you guys. Please come back again when you can visit longer.